How to use X or formerly Twitter like a pro. If you want to use Twitter like a pro, there are a couple of steps that you can follow. The first of all, you open up your X application, and the first step is to complete your profile. So tap on your profile from the top left of the screen and simply go to your profile page. Here, you want to make sure to use a clear profile photo and write a compelling bio to make a strong first impression. Now, if you're a business or professional, you can explore the professional tools to create specialized business account. You can also choose to get verified on Twitter. You can curate your feed. For example, you can follow accounts related to your interests and select specific posts or topics to see more relevant posts. And you can follow accounts related and create an organized feed by topic or group specific users. So these are some of the ways that you can go ahead and then basically use Twitter like a pro. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.